So, how do we actually get Windows 11 feeling snappy again without having to reinstall everything? It's all about hitting the right toggles. First, hit your start menu and go to settings, click on gaming, and make sure game mode is turned on to prioritize your system resources for whatever you're playing. Then jump into the game bar section and toggle that off if you aren't actively using it for clips. Next, head over to System and then Storage to turn on Storage Sense. This is a lifesaver because it automatically clears out temporary junk files so they don't pile up. While you're right there, click on Clean Up Recommendations. It'll ask you if you want to delete your downloads folder, so just hit cancel if you have important files saved there. But definitely clear out the rest. Finally, go to apps and then startup. I'd honestly recommend turning off almost everything in this list because every single on toggle here adds extra seconds to your boot time and drains your RAM. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.